How to get Microsoft Project Certification. We will explore the steps you need to take to obtain your Microsoft Project Certification, the benefits of getting certified, and some tips for success in the certification exam. What is Microsoft Project Certification? This certification demonstrates your proficiency in planning, executing, monitoring, and closing projects using Microsoft project tools and techniques. Why get certified? Increased knowledge. The certification process involves studying and mastering project management best practices, which can deepen your knowledge and skills in this area. Professional recognition. Being certified by Microsoft can provide you with professional recognition and validation of your expertise in project management. Steps to get Microsoft Project Certification. Get proper training. Enroll in a Microsoft Project training course that covers the material tested in the certification exam. This training can be done online or in person, depending on your preference and schedule. Take the exam. On the day of the exam, be sure to arrive early, bring all necessary materials, and stay calm and focused during the test. Pass the exam. Successfully completing the certification exam will earn you your Microsoft Project Certification. Tips for success. Study regularly. Dedicate time each day to study and review the material to ensure you are well prepared for the exam. Utilize practice exams. Practice exams can help you familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions you may encounter on the actual test. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining your Microsoft Project Certification can be a rewarding experience that can elevate your career in project management.